The bustling streets of Paris's 11th district hummed with the energy of a typical Tuesday morning. Sunlight glinted off the windows of charming cafes. The aroma of freshly baked bread wafted through the air. Life moved at a frantic, almost chaotic pace. But for the daughter and grandson of Pierre Noizat, CEO of cryptocurrency exchange Paymium, the facade of normalcy would soon shatter. A white van, bearing the familiar logo of Chronopost, a French delivery service, rolled to a stop. It seemed innocuous enough, but as the sliding door hissed open, 4 figures emerged, their faces obscured by masks, their intentions anything but ordinary. The peace of the morning was ripped apart. The quiet street transformed into a stage for a terrifying ordeal. This was not a delivery, this was a kidnapping. The assailants lunged, their movements swift and brutal, attempting to drag the pregnant woman and her young grandson into the van. But they had underestimated their victims. Adrenaline surged through the woman's veins. Fear was replaced by an instinctive, primal need to protect her child. She fought back with a ferocity that caught her attackers off guard. Her scream pierced the morning air, a desperate cry for help that shattered the illusion of safety. One of the attackers brandished a weapon, but even in her terror the woman recognized it as a fake. With a burst of strength she wrenched it away, flinging it into the street. The commotion, the struggle, the raw terror of the scene, ignited something in the hearts of those who witnessed it. Parisians, known for their nonchalance, shed their indifference in an instant. They became protectors, their voices joining the woman's cry as they rushed to her aid. This brazen attack on May 14, 2025 was not an isolated incident. It was a stark reminder of the growing vulnerability of the cryptocurrency industry in France. Since 2023, a chilling pattern had emerged. High-profile figures in the crypto world targeted, their wealth making them prey for audacious criminals. Just weeks before the attack on Noizat's family, the father of a crypto entrepreneur had endured a harrowing kidnapping ordeal. Held for ransom, he was only released after a heart-wrenching 2 days. Earlier in January of the same year, David Balland, co-founder of Ledger, and his wife fell victim to a similar fate. Bound and held captive, they were forced to watch as their digital fortune was siphoned away. While authorities managed to recover a portion of the €10 million ransom, the trauma left an indelible scar. The attack on Noizat's family underscored a chilling reality. The threat was escalating. The wolves were no longer lurking in the shadows, they were hunting in broad daylight. Section 4. A call for action. The attempted kidnapping sent shockwaves through the French cryptocurrency community and beyond. The brazenness of the attack, the targeting of family members, it was a wake-up call. French Interior Minister Bruno Retailleau, responding to the growing fear, pledged to take action. He announced plans for a high-level meeting with crypto entrepreneurs, a platform to discuss security concerns and explore solutions. Paymium, shaken but resolute, issued a statement condemning the attack and demanding increased protection for the industry. The company's message resonated with a sense of urgency, a call to action for the entire sector. This was not just about protecting digital assets, it was about protecting people, families, lives. The attack on Noizat's family highlighted the human cost of cybercrime, the terror that rippled outward from the digital realm and into the streets of Paris. Section 5. Security in a digital age. The attempted kidnapping in Paris serves as a stark reminder of the evolving landscape of crime in the digital age. As we venture deeper into the world of cryptocurrency and decentralized finance, security must be paramount. This is not just a concern for high-profile individuals or industry leaders, it's a collective responsibility. We must be vigilant, proactive, and informed. Investing in robust security measures, both online and offline, is not an option, it's an imperative. The attack on Noizat's family is a call for collective action. We must support law enforcement agencies in their efforts to investigate and apprehend those responsible. We must work together to create a safer, more secure environment for the cryptocurrency industry to flourish. The future of finance is digital, but it's our responsibility to ensure that future is safe for everyone.